how to use or apply referral and coupon code on Temu app. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can use or apply coupon and referral code on Temu application. Now the process itself is quite simple and easy. If you want to do it on browser, the process is similar on browser as well. You just need to head into browser, and there you want to head into official web browser of Temu, and there you want to make sure you're logged into your account, and then you can follow the similar steps. The first thing what you want to do is you want to open up your Temu application and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're logged in, you should get an interface like this. Now here at the bottom of your screen you can see various options: home, categories, view and cart. You want to simply tap on view option that you can see at the bottom of your screen. Once you tap on it, here you can see various options, and under your reviews you can see coupons and offers. You can see I have 1 coupons and there in total. So what you want to do is you want to tap on coupons and offers option, and at the very top you can see enter coupon code option. You want to simply enter in your coupon code here or your referral code here, and then tap on apply, and it'll be applied. So this way you can use your referral code, coupon code on Temu application. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.